Good morning, dear friends. How are you all? Hope all are fine. Now we are going to see third poem in time of silver rain. Standard 7, third poem in time of silver rain. Let us read out the poem. In time of silver rain, the earth puts forth new life again. Green grasses grow and flowers lift their heads, and over all the plain the wonder spreads of life, of life, of life. In time of silver rain, the butterflies lift silken wings to catch a rainbow cry, and trees put forth new leaves to sing in joy beneath the sky. As dawn the roadway, passing boys and girls go singing too in time of silver rain, when spring and life are new. So dear children, this poem is about the nature, the rainy season, silver rain. Let us go through the first stanza. In time of silver rain, the earth puts forth new life again. Green grasses grow and flowers lift their heads, and over all the plain the wonder spreads of life, of life, of life. So dear children, this poem is speaking about the silver rain, which is written by Langston Hughes. Langston Hughes. So the poet is telling, when it rains, okay, when it rains, the earth puts forth new life again. What is meaning by new life? That means the trees take place, or the flowers are or the birds are blooming. Okay, flower birds are blooming. There is a new life on the earth. There is a new life on the earth. Green grasses grow, trees are growing. Okay, trees are growing. Then in the field, the whatever seeds farmers have put, that comes up. Then trees are taking birth. Butterflies are opening their silver heads, or the butterflies are opening their silken wings. Okay, so dear students, when it is raining, that means there is a silver rain which is bringing new life, and flowers lift their heads. The flowers are blooming, and overall the plain the wonder spread. That means it is a wonderful nature, or it is a wonderful plan of God. When it is raining, like these things are happening, of life, of life, of life. That means there is a new beginning of life of each and everything. In the time of silver rain, the butterflies lift silken wings to catch a rainbow cry, and trees put new leaves to sing. So the poet is telling, when it is raining, when the silver rain is falling, the butterflies are opening their silken wings. Okay, and why they are opening silken wings? To catch the rainbow rays. Okay, to catch the rainbow rays. And trees put forth new leaves to sing. That means there is a new life again in the trees. Okay, they are opening the new leaves to sing in joy beneath the sky. As down the roadway, passing boys and girls go singing too. So when it is raining, in joy beneath the sky. The meaning of beneath means down. The meaning of beneath means down. Beneath the sky, that means down of the sky. The passing boys and girls, they are singing the new songs. Singing the new song. Go singing too in the time of silver rain, when spring and life are new. So dear children, we have seen the poem. The life is full of new life. Full of new life. When it is raining, when the silver rain falls, there is a new life everywhere. Okay, the trees come up. Okay, then the butterflies are opening their silken wings to catch the rainbows, and there is a totally change in the nature. Totally change in the nature. There is everything a fresh air. Okay, fresh air. That means when it rains, there is a new life in the nature. So dear students, you will read this poem, go through the hard words, and let us know this poem that the God has created this beautiful world with a good nature. Thank you.